All right, so we're here with Dan the Man, and this is the gentleman that does all the welding on the Jersey bar. And again, this is the 24. This is the one that we put back together after we were tested on the 7-ton forklift. He does the 24s and the 30s right here in Pennsylvania. And Dan, what do you say to all those people out there that claim they're going to go ahead and break your welds on these Jersey bar Halligans?
Well, for one, you got to understand welding. There's a big stigma behind the welding. When you're doing a preheat and you're doing a post-weld heat treatment, your welds should look pretty well, and they should be sound welds. So I really don't believe that they would break. So.
And now, when we go to the top of this, right, we have two adds, and obviously this shaft goes all the way through this cast, this custom cast. Explain, is there two welds on both ends of this?
So, for me, I'm just trying to understand in my head. I think most of the strength is coming because this bar goes through, and then we have a decent enough weld to go around here and a decent enough weld to go around here. So your weld's not going to break. Your base metal will probably break before the weld. So as long as all the process is done right. So.
And do you do the process right?
Exactly right to the T.
That's what we like to hear, right, Dan?
We have a procedure, and we have a procedure for each wire that we use in this particular alloy, and that's pretty much, I stick right by that procedure, because if it breaks, then I have to say that I went by the procedure, so we would have to change the procedure. But
how many years you been welding?
I've been welding since I was 19, so about 20 years.
So you got a little bit of experience.
Yeah.
You're pretty confident that it's going to hold up?
I'm pretty confident. I think these guys are confident. 7,000 pounds or 7
ton. Yeah. You know, we're definitely we think we're good to go.
Right.
So hey, next question to you, right, is we're gonna get this sent out for our X-ray report on your welds. So having said that, right, with the welds on both ends, right, is that a triple TIG weld? That's how I've been describing that.
Yes. Like I bevel the rod first, and then so you got a little bit of the weld inside, and then I kind of cap it off, and then I put about 3 passes down here, and then up top here is beveled. So, and then I put about 3 passes going around here. I put a root pass, a fill pass, and then I cap it off.
Fantastic.
Same thing with down here. Now the casting is beveled instead of this, because you don't want to bevel the rod. And then I weld in there, so you got some meat inside and some meat on.
So, hey, another question for you, right? Because we want to put everybody at ease, right? Because, like I said, you know, I was at numerous places and they swore they were going to go ahead, and I handed them the tool. It was like, hey, go ahead and break it. And nobody, a lot of people shut them up, and those that tried failed miserably, right? And so the next question I have for you on this whole procedure is between what you just described, right, and the welding and so forth, do you personally do each one right now yourself out of the hundreds that we make?
I am the only one that welds on these things.
So you're the only one that does the Jersey bars right now.
Nobody else certified to weld on these things.
So you touch every single one that goes out, and you put your stamp of approval on every single one.
I do.
20 years of experience.
I do.
Right here in Pennsylvania, USA made.
USA made.
100% USA.
100%.
All right. Well, that's all I care about, brother. Thank you for your time, Dan.